back to the channel. So today I'm in Cumbia again. I'm doing my first ever bike packing adventure. I'll flip you around, well, I'll just spin you around. So in the distance you might just be able to make out Roe Island and Peel Island. I think we're going to Falmey Island. Yeah, Falmey Island for the camp. John's with me as well today. John boy. He's going to be doing some sea lure fishing. So yeah, thanks for coming along. Thanks for clicking on the video. I'll bring you back soon, guys. Right guys, so we're walking across the Falmey Island now. It's a bit hard going on the feet up on the bike, so as the tide comes right up to the wall, we had to go to Roe Island for a little bit, just wait for the tide, finish going out. So yeah, we're heading over now. So yeah, I'll bring you back soon and we'll chill out for a bit. Alright, peace out guys. This is what we're dealing with at the moment. It's a bit slippy on the feet, so we decided to walk across with the bikes. It's a nice day, sun's out, not much wind about, so yeah, ready over to that little shack thing there I believe. So yeah, I'll see you there guys. So guys, just had a little break. I would have done more filming of me riding the bike, but kind of left me chest mount for the camera at home. It's because I was rushy yesterday, so yeah, left that, so I haven't been able to do much, but I've able to do some B-roll and stuff on the bike, so yeah, it's not being too bad. I'll flip you around and I'll show you how I've got the bike set up as well. Right, I'll flip you around then. So this is how I've got the bike set up guys. So I've got 2 bags on the handlebars. I've got my freighting bag and I've got my seatbelt post bag. They're all Rock Bros off eBay. It's the cheapest ones I can find. So yeah, they're pretty good bags to be honest with you. It doesn't make the bike too heavy. So yeah, let's flip back around. Yeah, so I'm going to chill here a little bit now guys. We're hoping we're allowed to stay here. John boy's just gone to speak to the warden over there because it's a nature reserve, so hopefully he lets us just put the tents up for the night because John wants to do some night fishing and our tide's not till 1 o'clock in the morning. I'll be gone by then, knockout, so hopefully he lets us. If not, we haven't got a plan, so this video might change a little bit, but other than that, the day's going brilliant. Sun's out. Every time I come here, the sun's just amazing. I think it was last year or the year before I came over to do Black Coombe. And when I got halfway up, then the second night we did a night on the beach, and I got a suntan in April. so it's nice up here. Like I said, we went across to Roe Island. Went across to Peel last time on the ferry. Weather dependent, it's always running near enough all the time. There's like a pub on there, Castle Inn, but I can't swim. It was a bit sketchy, and on the way back we broke down. so yeah, panic setting then. So yeah, I'll stop blabbing on and I'll bring you back a bit later guys. I'm going to chill out now. Might even have a brew if I fancy it. Right, peace. Right guys, welcome back. Just a quick update. John's gone to speak to the warden. She's letting us pitch up for the night. She's just going to come across and check there's no bird eggs anywhere because it's a nesting ground. So yeah, we're going to chill out now. We've got permission, but it's still a wild camp, so don't judge us. Yeah, nice. I'll speak to you soon, guys. Peace. Right guys, welcome back. I'm all set up now. I'll flip you around and show you the tent I'm using. It's the first time I've used it, to be honest with you. I had it for my birthday, but I haven't managed to get out in it, so I'll flip you around, I'll show you which one I'm using. So there's the tent I'm using, guys. It's the Night Cat ultralight one person tent. I'm not pretty sure if I pitched it right, but as long as it stays up for tonight it should be alright. There we are. I'll flip it back around. Right guys, think of what you bring it back then. Think of some food now. I've got a sweet potato, some mushrooms, and one of Aldi's finest steaks for tea. So yeah, I'm going to get that cooked, hopefully. Because I've bought a decent knife to cut the potatoes with, but I've got one anyway. So yeah, I'll bring it back soon, guys. Yeah. So there we have it, guys. Steak, mushrooms and sweet potatoes for tea. Look at that, guys. Perfect. Right folks, I've had my food, had a couple of beers. I'm going to chill out now. Sun's dropping. So yeah, I'll bring you back in the morning now, when I'm all packed up and ready to go. So yeah. Absolute stunning morning. Oh, nice. Let's get a brew on and we'll start packing. Right guys, just about packed up now. Just been for a little walk back down to the other end of the island. So yeah, we're going to end the video here now, guys. Thanks for clicking on the video. Thanks for coming along on this one. They might get a little bit better soon. Like, it's just a first trial, so I've never really done anything filming wise on the bike properly like this. So yeah, thanks for clicking on it. Thanks for watching it. I'll see you on the next one.